Something is visiting our solar system right now, and it was already ancient before our sun was even born. Scientists have caught only a glimpse of it, and it is already leaving, never to return. 2026 has delivered some of the most extraordinary discoveries in the history of astronomy. An interstellar wanderer older than our solar system, the first real look at the naked surface of a world orbiting another star, a sleeping giant black hole 10 billion light-years away, and a spinning egg-shaped dwarf planet wearing a ring. These are the strangest things found in space this year, and every single one rewrites something we thought we understood. Let us start with the visitor. In 2025, a telescope survey called ATLAS detected a faint smear of light moving at an impossible speed through our solar system. Astronomers confirmed it almost immediately. This was interstellar comet 3I Atlas, only the third interstellar object ever detected passing through our cosmic neighborhood. The first was Oumuamua in 2017. The second was Borisov in 2019. And now, 3I Atlas, a frozen traveler from another star system entirely. Here is the first shocking detail. 3I Atlas is not slowing down. It is traveling so fast that the sun's gravity cannot grab it. It is on what astronomers call a hyperbolic trajectory, a one-way path through the solar system with no return ticket. It arrived from the void between the stars, and it is heading back into that void. We have one chance to study it before it disappears forever. But here is where the story becomes truly mind-blowing. When scientists used the James Webb Space Telescope to analyze the comet's chemical fingerprint, they found something that should not be possible in our solar system. The isotopic ratios in 3I Atlas suggest it is somewhere between 10 and 12 billion years old, predating our sun by billions of years. Our sun itself is only 4.6 billion years old. This comet may have been drifting through interstellar space for longer than our entire solar system has existed. Think about what that actually means. The star system that launched 3I Atlas into space may no longer exist. It could have exploded as a supernova billions of years ago. The comet survived the destruction of its own home and wandered the galaxy alone for eons before stumbling into our solar system at exactly this moment in history. Just as humans happen to have telescopes powerful enough to catch it. The timing is almost impossibly fortunate. Now let us travel somewhere very different, to a world so close to its star that a single year lasts just 11 hours. The rocky exoplanet LHS 3844b sits about 49 light-years from Earth, orbiting a red dwarf star. In 2026, astronomers got something they had never managed before. A direct look at the surface of a rocky planet beyond our solar system. And what they saw was extraordinary and deeply unsettling. And here is where it gets stranger. Before we reveal what the surface of LHS 3844b actually looks like, scientists are still wrestling with what it means for life across the universe. So stay with me, because the answer to that question is coming. And it is not what most researchers expected. LHS 3844b is tidally locked to its host star. That means one hemisphere bakes in permanent scorching daylight forever, while the other half sits in permanent freezing night forever. There is no sunrise, no sunset, no seasons, just an eternal, motionless divide between fire and darkness for billions of years. And when scientists finally got a direct look at the surface in 2026, they found exactly what they feared: a barren, radiation-blasted wasteland. The surface appears to be covered in dark basaltic rock, the same kind of ancient volcanic material found in old lava fields on Earth. There is no atmosphere to protect it, no weather cycle to reshape it, no shield of any kind against the constant bombardment of cosmic radiation from its star. It is as hostile as a world can be. The next discovery will make you feel very small. And it should. Because what scientists uncovered next sits more than 10 billion light-years away, and it has been sitting in silence for almost the entire age of the universe. The James Webb Space Telescope found it, and what it is will make your mind race. If you are learning something new with every discovery in this video, hit subscribe. It is free, and it helps us keep making videos like this one. And trust me, you do not want to miss what is coming next, because the most unbelievable discovery of 2026 is still ahead. In June of 2026, astronomers published a paper in Science announcing something that had never been done before. They had weighed the most distant dormant black hole ever found, and the number they came back with was staggering. This black hole has a mass 6 billion times greater than our Sun. 6 billion solar masses, sitting in a galaxy called MRGM 0138, over 10 billion light-years from Earth. The light from that galaxy has been traveling for over 10 billion years before reaching our telescopes. That means when we look at it, we are seeing the universe as it was more than 10 billion years ago, when it was not even half its current age. And back then, this monstrous black hole was already fully formed, already dormant, already silent. Scientists have no clean explanation for how something so enormous could have grown so fast in the early universe. But here is the twist that makes this discovery even more extraordinary. This black hole is dormant, meaning it is not actively swallowing matter. It has gone dark, it stopped accreting, stopped feeding, and instead of blazing as a quasar visible across the universe, it sits completely invisible in every wavelength of light. To find it at all, astronomers had to use the way the galaxy's gravity bent and magnified light from objects behind it, a technique called gravitational lensing, combined with stellar motion inside the galaxy itself. It is like detecting a sleeping giant from across the entire observable universe. What you are about to hear was only confirmed in the last year, and it involves one of the strangest objects in our own solar system. A world that should look like a sphere, but does not. A world that spins so fast it is being pulled apart by its own rotation. What you are about to meet is Haumea, and it wears something no one expected a dwarf planet to wear. Haumea is a dwarf planet out beyond Neptune, and it is one of the most bizarre objects in the solar system. It completes one full rotation in approximately 3.9 hours, making it one of the fastest spinning large objects in the entire solar system. For context, Earth takes 24 hours to complete a single rotation. Haumea does it in less than 4, and that ferocious spin has consequences. Because Haumea spins so fast, centrifugal force has distorted its shape into something that looks like a cosmic egg. Its longest axis is roughly twice as long as its shortest axis. It is not a sphere. It is not even close to a sphere. It is a stretched, squashed ellipsoid hurtling through the outer solar system, and it is absolutely impossible looking compared to every other planet or dwarf planet we know. And then there is the ring. In 2017, astronomers discovered that Haumea, this bizarre egg-shaped world, also has a ring orbiting it, sitting roughly 2,287 kilometers from its center. They found it when Haumea passed in front of a distant star, and the star's light briefly dimmed not once, but 3 times. Once for the ring, once for the planet, and once for the ring again. No one had predicted that a dwarf planet could host a ring system. Haumea had been hiding it the entire time. And the story behind Haumea's bizarre shape and breakneck spin may be even more dramatic than the spin itself. Scientists believe that billions of years ago, something enormous slammed into Haumea. An ancient giant impact that not only set the world spinning at this terrifying speed, but also blasted material off into space. That ejected material eventually coalesced into Haumea's 2 moons, Hi'iaka and Namaka. A single catastrophic collision gave birth to an egg-shaped world, a ring and 2 moons, all at once. So here is where we are. 2026 gave us a comet older than the sun, racing through our solar system and already escaping back into the void it came from. It gave us the first real portrait of a barren alien world orbiting another star, and the portrait was bleak. It gave us a sleeping black hole so massive and so far away, it took the most powerful space telescope ever built just to find it, let alone weigh it. And it reminded us that a spinning egg-shaped dwarf planet right here in our own backyard has been wearing a hidden ring this whole time. Every one of these discoveries changes the map of what we know is out there. Space is not empty. It is not silent. It is overflowing with ancient travelers, hidden giants, and impossible worlds, and we have barely begun to look. If this video opened your eyes to what is really out there, our next video goes even deeper. The deep rabbit hole is back, with more facts so strange, so verified, and so mind-bending that scientists themselves had to look twice. Subscribe now and follow along, because the next one drops soon, and you will not want to come in halfway through.